This Lexar CF Express Type B has been one of the best investments I've made so far for my photography and videography business. The build quality of these cards are great, and one of the highlights of the product is that I can record in 8K internally, and I have to tell you, the write and read speeds of these cards are just fantastic. As you see in the images, I've been recording a lot in 4K and 8K footage, and I haven't had any problems with the cards in terms of overheating, so that's a really good thing. Lexar have three different capacity cards, so I bought four of 128 gigs. And well, I highly recommend this card if you want to ensure your work as a photographer or videographer. So thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye.